Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy tonight's presentation. Tonight's recipes from Italy. On the menu is Lentil Bolognese. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The goodies for the lentils. Rinsing the lentils. Add the lentils and the water into a pot. Bring to a boil. And let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes depending on the lentils. And here's the lentils when they're done. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating some oil in a medium-sized saucepan. Add the veggies and saute. Then I add the walnuts and saute. Then I add the spices and saute. Then I add the wine and mix. Then I add the stock and mix some more. Then I add the tomato product. Then I add the lentils and a bay leaf and stir to combine. Bring to a boil. And then it's going to simmer for about 4.5 to 5 hours. Here it is after the simmer. The jacuzzi's ready. The linguine's in the jacuzzi. And here's the linguine getting strained. And here's the final lentil bolognese. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.